in the Tarentaise Valley in the northern French Alps, which includes the ski resorts of Tignes, Val Disere, Rosière, Les Arcs and Saint-Foy. It has been an amazing week, pure sunshine all week. Then on Friday, it all changed. The Foehn wind came in, the southerly wind, and completely damaged the snow. So let's rewind the clock and have a look at last week. Has arrived and I'm gonna get a cheeky little turns in for myself before work. Stick around to the end of the video for the tip of the week. What a beautiful day. What a great way to start your day. The snow is impeccable on the piste, especially first thing in the morning. And today, I have to say the pistes are really quiet, but I think it's because of the large rockfall which happened on the motorway yesterday. On the N90, a massive slab of rock came down and caused chaos. So a lot of people are stranded. So really sorry for those people that are stranded and are still working their way back into ski resort and missing a day. So we're on the top of the Borsat. So if anyone looks at the piste map, okay, there's two greens. Now this is the steepest green in the world. Okay, so do not go down this way. There's a nice path that goes round and it's really flat. Whoever made that piste, I think they're colourblind. In the world. Say it again, Andrew.
Someone was smoking something when they said that was a green.
The green Borsat. It's one of my favourite runs. I just love it. It's always a lot quieter, and first thing in the morning the snow is often really great. Ah, so Tuesday has arrived. No, it's Monday.
It feels like Tuesday.
It's Monday, it feels like Tuesday, and today I'm on the Gil Pirsay in Tignes with Carl.
Hi.
Which is amazing, very excited. Bright bluebird, sunshine, the pistes are hard, in great condition, really core dry. And I'm with Carl, who's been doing or done all his skiing with the Navy. So we're just going to try and iron a few things, a bit of fine tuning, and take it from there. What we're going to do now is then get rid of that drill.
Okay, keep my arms.
And keep the skill, keep the arms out in front.
Yeah.
Not using
no
pole plant in between the turns, because that knocks you off balance. Just nice and still and relaxed. And it's the feet that's doing all the work.
Yeah.
Boom. See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Afternoon.
Yeah.
I've got a lesson with this beautiful guy, Captain Bernie Bullet.
Oh.
And the we're just going to head through the green fences, okay? Right. So a drill that I really like to do, not for the faint-hearted, but just to keep you balanced, is actually to ski with your boots undone. Yeah, amazing. It's so good for you. Keeps you centered and sensitive. So this is Joe behind me. Look at that. Skiing graciously with his boots undone. That was such a good day. Good conditions, great clients, happy days. I just love the first chairlift in the morning. We are on Palafort and it is Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday the 4th of February. temperatures have really warmed up. We've got 5 degrees warmer. So in the Lac, we're looking at a -3, whereas yesterday we're looking at a -7 and a -8 at 2000. So here we are, bright bluebirds day, and I've got Carl, and we're gonna go for a quick blast down there.
Big thanks to Flo for this week. At the start of the week there was a lot of things that I didn't know, and it's sort of like you don't know what you don't know. So no, big thanks. Everything she's taught me has really helped move my control on the mountain. I feel a load more confident and my ski ability's really come on. So no, thanks so much, Flo.
So we're just at the top of the glacier, getting one of the last runs down. Yeah, beautiful. Temperatures are warmed up, so it's just nice to snow up here, and the view is just absolutely amazing. So Wednesday arrived, and it is a couple of days in the Rosière and the Thuile, so let's go around and check out the conditions there. La Rosière. Beautiful, bright blue skies. Oh, just absolutely amazing. It's -4 here at the top of the Roche Noire, and you can see the fog. You can't see any clouds at all. It's just absolutely stunning. Wow, just look like all this sastrugi is completely windblown. See all the wind-blown features. The off-piste looks just absolutely cruddy and wind-blown. I forgot how long this drag lift is. It feels like 10 minutes. So this is it, the border of France and Italy. Français, Italiano. Let's go this way for some nice lunch. Ciao.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Farei uno cappuccino e uno caffè decaffeinato e ho torta di mela fuori. Grazie. There's nothing like it. Italian coffee, and here I am in the North Shore Cafe here in the Thuile in Italia. And my Italian coffee shout out goes to Carl. Carl, thank you so much. It has been a pleasure and so much fun skiing with you this week. And also to an anonymous person, I don't know your name, but thank you so much for buying me a coffee. I really appreciate it. Now, if you want to keep me charged up for these videos, I really appreciate a coffee. I'll put the link below and you can donate me a coffee, and I want to say thank you for that. If you press that like and subscribe button, it really helps me and the channel. I really appreciate that. And if in return, here is a picture of me drinking a bombardino in Italy. Yeah, this is the one thing I don't like about Italy. Holes. Holes for the toilet. So if you ski over the lunchtime in the Thuile as well, the pistes are empty. However, don't relax completely, because around the next corner, you never know, there's quite a few wake-up calls where it's a little bumpy and chopped up and icy. Ah, flat empty pistes, and I love it because it's so good to practice my one-leg skiing. One-leg carving, here we go. Woohoo! Number 4. If you want an easier way into the Thuile, just pick number 4. Don't know the name. In Italy, all the pistes have got numbers. They don't have any names. Number 4. It's in great condition. Woohoo! And then you just follow the road. So this is a road in the summer that crosses France and into Italy, and this road number 4 takes you all the way into the Thuile. If you come to Italy, treat yourself to a bombardino. Wowzers. Reminds me of my second season in the Rosiere Thuile. Bombardino, I went from a size 10 to a size 14 because of these. So, 6th of February, and it's beautiful. Blue skies. Here in Italy, the pistes are immaculate. They're so good, and it's so much quieter than over the other side in La Rosière and back in France. So to get back over to France, you just want to make sure you get one of the main chairlifts, the Chance Jura. Belvedere. So this is the lift, the connecting lift from Italy into France that you definitely need to get. Cheers, Mountain Bestie.
Cheers, Mountain Bestie.
Bienvenue, France. Looking good, Rich, looking good. So Friday came and I'm back in France, in my own backyard, Tignes and Val Disere. And sadly, temperatures have absolutely plummeted, but we've got the wind. The Foehn wind is here, and there's going to be gusts up to 70 km an hour by the end of the day. So this really is going to move a lot of snow around and harden the snowpack up as well. So it's going to be tricky conditions over the weekend. Oh. Woo-hoo. Little bit of pow. Really icy down into grass. Woo. This week, windy in a Foehn storm, and our avalanche level has been a constant now and has dropped down to a 2. So looking into next week, the weather is pretty much up and down. We've got breaks of sunshine, but we've also got grey cloud skies, and we have got a front coming in, whether it's snow or not, around Tuesday, Wednesday. So for people coming out for next week, just make sure that you've got every part of your clothing and goggles and ready for different temperatures and different visibility on the slopes. Yeah, good, enjoy. So everyone, this is Trolls, or Joanne Clary, and this is the only route back into Le Lac Tignes. It gets pretty icy at the end of the day and it gets really busy, so it gets pretty dangerous. So my tip of this week is to really avoid this run at the end of the day as much as you can, because it's a bit mental. So here we go, the famous mouse hole here in the Vallon de Sache. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom!